I got the freezer down in the taco truck. Let's get after it. Got the early morning start. See how Tippins is looking. Not too shabby, Mr. T. Not too shabby. We're gonna get in this taco truck right here. We got a freezer not bringing on the H.V.A.C fans, so let's scope it out and see what, see what we come up with. Get the knee pros and some rubber glubbers. We'll get in there. Here we go. We got the Magali one-door freezer, and it's got a call for cooling. It's got compressor icon, but no fan icon. I got no fan. We're gonna scope out the output from the control, and we also got to check this. Check that door switch. We're gonna get this bottom cover off and check it out. Looks like we have to do a little condenser cleanup, and then there's our control. I gotta see how that comes off of there. Oh, let's see. Not sure. Oh, maybe up underneath, maybe up from underneath there. Let's take a look. All right, if you come across one of these ones, there's 2 screws in the top here. And so you get it by going up under the plastic. And we're in our time delay right here. I turned it off, turned it back on. We're flashing when it goes solid, then it's gonna run. My fan terminal is right here. I got a feeling there's no output from this control for the fan. And what I'll do to temporary it is I'll take number 2 and put it on number 3. So the fan will run with the compressor till I get a new control. Because it is a freezer and I need the fan to turn off and defrost when the heaters come on. There it goes. Oh, now we got fan. Oh, now we got a fan output after we digged with it. How funny is that? Let's take a look. Yep, we got fan. So it definitely needs a new controller for sure. So the controller sometimes is not putting out a fan output. So it's the weekend. They're going to want to be cooking a ton of food. Weather's nice. They're going to be busy. We'll let this rip and we'll order up a new one. A new control for this. We're going to deep clean this condenser here also. Okay, now it's got the fan icon on the control. Right there. Compressor and fan. Before it didn't, so when it gets to that point and that happens, just replace the control. I don't have that one on the truck. I have to order one. And it's pretty common with these Dixell controls. It's just me and the produce guy. Let's see if I can squeeze through here. So we got to get a new Dixell freezer control. I know you guys are going to go, why don't you have that on your van? I don't have the freezer one. So I got to order one. Look at this view, man. We're right here at the ocean. Top secret parking. There's no surf today. It's flat. There's still a couple guys out there trying to get some ankle slappers. Ankle slapper. Oh yeah, here we go. All right, I bring you guys along. I got another stop because I know it's a small video. I got an ice maker. It's a little under counter, and it sounds like he told me that it's making ice, but then it's melting the ice. And I think this one has an old school float switch, and I bet you the float's stuck. Oh, let me see if I get you guys a shot of the Ferris wheel up here. They still got the lights on from last night. Let's see. This will look cool. See if I can do the zoom in. Oh, there it is over there. Let's get past the tree. Get you guys a Ferris wheel shot. Let's see, no one's behind me. Oh yeah, we could probably pull over and do a little scenic view. There it is. I see it over there. I think if you dropped a tab, man, and it's nighttime, you thought it was like a UFO over there or something. let's get a shot. There it is. Right. Let's do the zoom in. Oh yeah, roller coaster, Ferris wheel, lights are spinning and changing. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Look at that. Best cinematography on H.V.A.C. YouTube, right here, NorCal Dave. All right, here's the little Manitowoc. You guys ready for this? Oh boy. We got to plug condensate drain for sure. I wonder where that terminates at. Oh, it's that little black tube right there. And then it comes down here. Oh, then it goes into another tube. And it goes into this copper thing, and then it goes into some PVC. Oh, that's awesome. Let's turn it to off. Let's see if we can get this blown out. Let's grab this little dude. We'll grab a few of these, see how we make out. Maybe like a four burger deluxe. Let's see how we make out. For a little cleanup. So I got the drain cleaned out, and I need to totally clean this ice maker. Take everything out of here and get it cleaned up. All right, we got this deep cleaned, condensate drain cleaned out, fixed. We're getting ready to make our first batch of fresh ice. Bin's cleaned out, the whole machine's clean. She's a happy camper. Oh, I have one little speck. That you get her all done and you find one last little speck. Got you, sucker. Oh yeah, much better. Super duper happy. This will be our first batch. So she just had basically a plug condensate drain. We got everything cleaned up, the condenser, pre-filter, all the gear, and a happy little ice maker. Oh, we got harvest action going down. There it is. Good job. All right, batch number 2 coming down. Let's see how we do. Ice is melting. We're in harvest. Here's batch number 1. Batch number 2 looking good. Looking good. All right, we'll call this one good.